Hello everyone, I am Sonam from Pabbly team and this video is going to be very interesting for all the e-commerce store owners because here I am going to tell you how you can automatically send order notifications on WhatsApp and Gmail and also collect the order details in Google Sheets. So the flow of our automation will be like whenever a new order is placed in a WooCommerce store, automatically send an order confirmation message to the customer on his WhatsApp as well as on his Gmail, and after notifying them on WhatsApp and Gmail, collect the order details in your Google Sheets automatically. So this is my WooCommerce store which I have created and I am going to place an order in front of you, and you will see the person who is making the order will receive a WhatsApp message, a Gmail notification, and the order details of the same will be added in your Google Sheets as well. So let's place an order. I'm going to buy the siren press. Ashirai is placing the order. These are the details. Okay. The email address is ashira824. Let's place an order. And you can see the order has been arrived. Let's check our WhatsApp. And you can see an automated message has been arrived on the same number. And let's check our Gmail. Okay. And you can see an automated order confirmation message has arrived on Gmail as well. And the details of this order is also arrived, also collected in the Google Sheet. So to create this kind of automation, I'll have to connect WooCommerce, WhatsApp, Gmail and Google Sheets with the help of an integration and automation software, Pabbly Connect. So let's proceed. Type Pabbly pabbly.com/connect in your browser and press enter. This is how you will reach to the landing page of that automation software. From this blue button, you can create your free account and you will also get 100 free tasks every month so that you can actually test these kind of automations. Now click on access now. I already had an account, that's why I have logged in directly and reached to the dashboard. Now you will have to click on this create workflow button and give any random name. From here we are going to start creating our automation, start creating our workflow. Okay, give any random name. I am giving it as WooCommerce, WhatsApp and Gmail notification, integration. Okay, let's correct this spelling: WooCommerce, WhatsApp and Gmail integration. Click on create. Once you will click on create, you will find two boxes in front of you. What are these? It is actually trigger and action, and our automation is going to work on these two principles. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Let's understand it with an example. When a sale happens in any payment gateway, send a message via WhatsApp. When a form is submitted, let's say Google Forms, share a file via Google Drive. According to our use case, when a new order is placed in WooCommerce, send a notification to customer on WhatsApp. Again, send the notification to customer on Gmail as well. In fact, we are going to collect the order data in Google Sheets, and from this plus sign we can add as many steps as we want. Okay, for now I am deleting it. Now I am going to choose my trigger application, which is going to be WooCommerce. Okay. And in trigger event, I will choose new order created. And the idea here is that we are integrating WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So what are the instructions written here? You can read it, and once you will get this webhook URL, you need to copy that URL and paste it into WooCommerce so that we can actually build the connection in between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to WooCommerce. This is my WooCommerce store. Here you will have to click on settings and under the settings you will find the advanced options, and yes, finally under the advanced option you will find this webhooks option. Here we are going to paste our webhook URL. Okay, all you have to do is to click on add webhook, give any random name, integration between WhatsApp, WooCommerce. Okay, now I will change this status as active. Topic will be I want to fetch the details on order creation. Okay, that is why I will click on order created. Delivery URL will be my webhook URL which we have just got from Pabbly Connect. I'm going to paste the same URL here. Keep the secret blank API version as it is and click on save webhook. Webhook updated successfully. Let's come back to Pabbly Connect, and from here you will have to click on this recapture webhook response. Basically we want to fetch the order data of WooCommerce. Now what is written over here, read it. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record. Okay, that is why I will be going to my WooCommerce store and going to perform a test order. Okay, so let's say I am ordering this black t-shirt. Okay, let's open it. Click on update cart and click on proceed to checkout. I have already filled all the required details. Okay, Sonam Rai is placing an order. Rishikalp is the apartment name. Okay, this is the address, this is the number, and let's change actually my email ID, which is exactly Ashirai 824. Okay, this is my email ID and this is my phone number, and you can see I have also added 91 along with my phone number. I will tell you later why I have added this country code as well. Okay, now I am going to click on place order. It is taking time and the order has been received. Let's come back to Pabbly Connect and check whether the details of that order has fetched or not. And you can see the order details. Sonam is the name, Rai, company name, apartment. Every detail has been fetched in Pabbly Connect. You can see the email ID is the same, the number is also the same. The first step of our integration is actually successful, which is connecting WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. Now we want to send the order notification to customer on WhatsApp and Gmail. That is why I am going to click on WhatsApp and I am going to use WhatsApp Cloud API for sending WhatsApp messages, which Facebook has recently launched. Okay. In action event, I will be clicking on send template message. And what is template message? It is actually the normal messages only, but WhatsApp asks you to first create a template of the message and send that template as a message to your customer in order to initiate the conversation. And also, firstly, you will have to get it approved via Facebook. Then only you can actually send these template messages. I will explain you everything step by step. Do not get confused, okay? Click on add new connection. Basically, we are connecting our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I already have an account. That's why I am going to fill these details. How you will get these details? So basically, we want token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. You will have to write developers.facebook.com in your browser and you will have to create your account here. I already have an account. That's why I will logged in from my app section. Okay, once you will reach to this my developers.facebook.com, basically on WhatsApp Cloud API account, the very first thing you will have to do is to create an app. I already created several apps in my account. That is why I am not going to create the app in this video. You can watch my separate video which I have attached in my description box. Okay, I have explained everything, that how you can set up your account in WhatsApp Cloud API, how you can create your app, and even how you can generate a permanent token which is going to require at the time of sending actual messages to your customers. Okay, once you will do that setup in WhatsApp Cloud API, come back to this video and click on your app. I am clicking on this particular app. Okay, now click on this WhatsApp at the left side and click on getting started. Here you will find all three details which are actually required for the connection, basically the token, phone number ID and business account ID. So this is my token, copy it and paste it here. Phone number ID, here it is, you can find it, copy it and paste it here, and you will find the WhatsApp business account ID as well here only. Just copy it and paste it here and click on save. This is how you will be connected with WhatsApp Cloud API, and you can see whatever the information, whatever the templates are available in my account has started visible here because I am connected. Now here I would like to tell you one more important thing. What is written over here? Temporary access token. This token will expire in 23 hours. I am doing this setup just for the video purpose. That is why I am using the temporary token. But when you are going to send actual messages to customers, remember you have to generate a permanent token. Again, I have added the separate video in the description box. Please go and check that video. Okay, now come back to Pabbly Connect. We will need to fill this template name. Let me show you my template, the message which I have created, and get it approved via Facebook already. You will find it, this blue button. Click here. You'll have to click on this here hyperlink. Okay, and you can see these are the various templates in my account available, and all of them are actually approved, already approved. Okay, you can create your template from this blue button, create message template. Choose any category, give any random name. Let's say message for order placement. Give any random name, okay, as per your choice. Placement, okay. Something is wrong, actually it is correct. Choose any language. I am going to choose the English and click on continue, and from this particular box you can actually compose your message which you will have to send to your customers, and you will see whatever I am going to write will be visible at the right side. Okay, let me minimize it so that you can actually see it. Whatever I am going to write, it will be visible here. Sonam, hi Sonam, thank you for shopping. Thank you for shopping with us. And this is how whatever I am going to write will be visible here. And this is how you can actually compose, create your message. Now here, whatever the values you want to change on every order, you will have to keep them in the form of variable. You can add the variables right from here. Click on add variable. This is the variable. It has added automatically within the curly braces. Okay, so I want the name should be changed. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order, let's say, of course every time the order will be different. That is why I am going to keep this particular thing also in the form of variable, and this is how you can actually create your message. Now you can also attach a header, a footer and a call to action button as well with your message. And the interesting thing about header is you can add the text as well as media. And in media also, if you want to add image, if you want to attach video, any document or brochure, PDF brochure, you can attach anything along with your message. Here I would like to tell you one more very important thing which people generally forget about. They forget to mention the sample, and this is why they are unable to create their template. Do not forget to upload any sample content here. You can upload any sample file here. In place of one variable, we want the name should be up here. That is why I will add any random name as sample. Order name, let's say someone is buying fan. So you will have to provide the samples and then click on done and then submit it for the approval. I already created my template in advance and get it approved. Let me show you my template. This is my template. The template name is WooCommerce order, and this is the message I have created. Order confirmation. Hello, thank you for shopping with us. Your order is confirmed. Okay. That is why in Pabbly Connect, I am going to choose the same template, which is WooCommerce order. Keep the language field as it is. Select template ID as it is. Recipient mobile number. To whom you want to send the message? Basically, I want to send the message who are placing order in WooCommerce. From where I will find that details? Click on this field and you will find the data of WooCommerce which we have just fetched here only, and from here you can actually map your number. And the interesting thing about mapping is whatever values you are going to map will be changed automatically on every order placement. Let's say some other person will place the order, the number of that person will be changed here automatically. Don't worry about that. Now what is body field? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check our message. 1 is basically the name of the customer. From where I will get it? Again from the WooCommerce order data. The person who has made the order. So Sonam, give a space, and Rai. Sonam Rai has placed the order. That is why I am mapping the name here in body field 1. What is body field 2? It is actually the order. Okay, what is my order? Basically my product. Let's map it. Okay. Here is the product name, dashing black t-shirt. Okay. Now body field 3 is actually we will deliver your package by the date. Now from where we will actually get the date? Because in the details of WooCommerce I haven't actually got the details. Let's check whether we have actually got the date. Okay, date. So where is the date? Okay, so this is my date, but here I would like to map the delivery date. But how can I actually deliver my product at the date of order placement only? So basically I want the date of after 5 days, because I want at least 5 days in order to deliver the order, in order to process the order. So how I will get the date of after 5 days? So basically I am going to add 5 days in this current date. How? You just have to click on this plus action, okay, in between these two applications only. Okay, choose the app. So basically I am going to choose date time formatter. It is actually the feature of Pabbly Connect using which we can actually perform several operations with the date only. Select modified current date. Okay, now click on connect and fill all these details. In which format you want the date? I want in DDMMYY. Okay, select the time zone. So my time zone is actually Asia and Kolkata, since I am from India. You can select your time zone as per your choice. Basically I want to add 5 days. That is why the operation will be add. I do not want to add hours and minutes, but I want to add days. And how many days? 5 days. Now I will click on now I will click on save and send test request, and we'll see whether I will get the date of after 5 days or not. Yes, I have actually got the date after 5 days. You can see my current date was actually 26th June, and I have received the date of 3rd July, which is actually the date of after 5 days. Now I can simply map this date here in the delivery date body field. Okay, let's come here. But you can see it is not actually visible. So I'm going to click on save and then I'll refresh it. Okay, then I can actually access that data. You can see the data has started visible. Now I can directly map my date. Now what is body field for? It is actually the company name only, and I do not want the company name to be changed automatically. That is why I am going to keep it the same. Now I will be clicking on save and send test request, and we'll see whether this person who is Sonam Rai is receiving the notification, the order successful notification on her WhatsApp or not. Now before clicking on save and test request, I would like to tell you one more very important thing. Read the instruction. Enter the recipient mobile number with the country code without plus sign. So basically WhatsApp Cloud API wants the WhatsApp number in this particular format only. That is why while placing the order, I have added the number in this particular format, and I have even made it mandatory for all my customers in my checkout page that they'll have to provide their country code also. So it's just a suggestion that you can actually customize your checkout page or any kind of form in this particular format, and you can also provide any help text for your customer that provide the country code without plus sign. Because if customer is going to provide the WhatsApp number in different format, WhatsApp Cloud API is not going to accept it. Okay, so remember that. Now I will click on save and send test request, and let's see whether I am getting the WhatsApp message or not. Okay, the response has been received, and you can see the order message has been arrived. Click on that. Hello Sonam Rai, thank you for shopping with us. Your order for black t-shirt is confirmed. We will deliver your package by, you can see this is the date of after 5 days from the current date, and this is how the message has been arrived. So you can see our second step is also done, that is connecting WooCommerce and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now I want to send this kind of notifications on the customer's Gmail as well. That is why I am going to click on plus sign again, and I will choose Gmail here. Okay, click on action event as send email and click on connect. Now connecting a Gmail account, click on add new connection and simply click on this connect with Gmail, and you will be logged in directly. All I have to do is to choose my Gmail account and simply allow it. Okay, let me verify it first. Simply allow, actually continue. Okay, now you can see I have connected my Gmail account with Pabbly Connect, and I have already logged in into my account. That's why I have connected directly. Okay, recipient email address, basically to whom we want to send the email. I want to send the email to the person who has just placed the order in my WooCommerce, and that person's email address is actually this. Okay, keep the CC, BCC, I am keeping it blank. Sender name is going to be, let's say, Pabbly is sending the email. That is why I am keeping the name like this. You can give it any name as per your choice. Email subject, okay, I want to keep my subject line something like this: your order has been placed successfully. Okay, I am copying this subject line and pasting it here. This is actually a required field. Okay, Now reply to keep it blank. I am keeping it blank. If you want, you can actually fill it email content. So basically what email I want to send, what content I want to send. So I want to send this particular message to my customer that, hello Sonam, thank you for shopping with us. We have successfully received your received your order. Basically the product name, the worth price will become here. We will deliver your package. The delivery date will come here. And this is how I want to send this particular message. I am going to copy it and going to paste it here. Okay, now what I will do is I will do a little bit of formatting. Press enter. For the new line, here also I will press enter because I want my message to be look neat and clean. Okay, we have successfully received your order. Basically I want the product name should come here. So that is why I am going to map my product name just like I have done in case of WhatsApp. Okay, where is the product name? The t-shirt was there. Okay. And here is my product name. Worth price. Basically I want the price should come here. Okay, so I will now map INR, the currency, give a space, and now I will map my price. Where it is? What was the price? Here it is. Okay, we will deliver your package by, so my delivery date will come, and from where I will get this delivery date? Something is wrong. Why I'm not able to edit it? Yeah, okay, my delivery date is actually here under the date time formatter response. Okay, again I'm going to press an enter. Okay, once the order is shipped, we'll get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax. While we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping, Pabbly team. This is my email content. Okay, so I have created my email. Now I think I have filled all the details which are actually required for sending email. Let's click on save and test request and see whether Ashirai is receiving any automatic email, the order placement email or not. Let me check the response. The response is actually received, and the email, yes, we have actually got the email. Hello Sonam, you can see. I think we forgot to actually map the name. Otherwise, every message will consist of the same name if we will not map it. So it is important to map it. Let's map it from this WooCommerce data. Okay, let me come to this drop down. Okay, I cannot write it manually. I'll have to actually map it. It is done. Again I will be clicking on save and send test request, and now I will receive the message again, I guess. Okay, yes, I have received it this time. Hello Sonam, thank you for shopping. We have successfully received. You can see my product name, the price, the date is here, everything is here. And this is how you can actually connect your Gmail account, connect your Gmail application with Pabbly Connect. Now our third step is also completed. Now what we were about to do, we were about to send the notifications on Gmail and WhatsApp. It is actually done. Now I want to collect the order details for my reference in my Google Sheets for my reference. Okay, so that is why again I will click on this plus sign. Okay, and here I will choose Google Sheets as my application, and action event as add new row, because I want whenever a new order is placed, automatically add a new row. And add the details of order placement. Click on connect, click on add new connection, connect with Google Sheet, my Google Sheet. Now where is my Google Sheet? I haven't actually created it. Let's create it first. Okay, so I have just created this Google Sheet in which I want following details of my order. So I have added the column name as per my choice. Okay, let me actually increase the font size so that you can actually read it without any issue. Okay, let's centralize it. Okay, and this is my sheet. Okay, I want to collect my order details here, the customer email I want the product name which is getting ordered, the product price, date of order, and delivery address. Let's come back to Pabbly Connect, click on add new connection, connect with Google Sheets, again grant the access. Okay, don't worry, it is 100% safe. Okay, Pabbly Connect, do not take chance with your data. Okay, don't worry. Click on continue and you will see your Google Sheets will be connected successfully. Now all I have to do is to choose my spreadsheet, map the data, and my order data will be start collecting in the Google Sheets. Okay, I have several sheets, Google Sheets in my account, and all of them are visible because I am now connected. My sheet is actually all new orders of my WooCommerce store which I have just created. Okay, I have selected it. Sheet 1, yes, the sheet 1 is here only. Okay, what is the customer email? Now from where these fields are actually available here, because I have created these fields in my column in my spreadsheet, that is why the same fields are visible here. In customer email, again I will map my customer's email which is actually Ashirai. Okay, this is going to be changed every time. Again with the product name also, under the WooCommerce I will find my product name. Okay, and it is nearly at the downside. Where is my product name? Here it is. Okay, now the third detail is product price. Again I will find it from my WooCommerce data. Okay, here is the price. What is the date of the order? Again I will find it in the WooCommerce section. This is the date created. And delivery address, again I will find the same details under the WooCommerce response only. Where is the billing delivery address? Okay, here it is. Okay, so all the details has been filled out. Now I just need to click on save and send test request, and let's see the order data is actually added in my Google Sheets or not. The response is received. Let me check, and yes, the order details has been arrived automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, let me correct the formatting. I want these details to come at least here in this font size. Okay, this is now actually visible. This is looking good. Okay, so this is how you can actually create amazing automations under Pabbly Connect. I have shown you an example, a just single example of how you can actually create your WooCommerce. Okay, how you can actually create your WooCommerce, WhatsApp, Gmail, and Google Sheets. Okay, this is an amazing automation which you should implement it if you are running an e-commerce store. If you find this video helpful, please like it, share it, and if you have any doubt, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. One more important thing, I will add the link of this automation, link of this workflow in my description box so that you can clone this complete automation in your account directly, so that you do not have to do the several steps. So all you have to do is to connect your accounts. Thank you for watching.